In this video, I'll be showing you how to place front interior door panels on a Toyota Corolla. These are located on the inside of the front doors. Let's get started. We're going to start off by locating our interior door handle on the front door. Behind it, we'll locate this trim panel. Remove it using a small flat blade screwdriver. Wedge it in between and pry it out. Set it aside. Once that is off, we have access to our Phillips head screw. Go ahead and remove it. We're going to move down to our master window switch and its trim panel and remove it using a pry tool. And pry up. Pull it up and out. On the back side, we are going to locate two electrical connectors, push the tabs down, and slide them out. And set the switch aside. We are going to locate this trim piece on the middle portion of the door panel and remove it. Pull it away from the edge right here. And keep pulling it away. Set it aside. Now we have access to these two Phillips head screws. Remove these as well. Now for the one in the middle portion of the door panel. Pull the door panel away from the vehicle, starting at the lower corner of the panel. Pry out. After that, move on to the back side of the panel. Just locate your door handle cables, the white one on top and the green one on the bottom. Pull these out of the holders. And set the panel aside. And there it is. We're going to reinstall our door panel and the door handle cables. Starting off with the green one that goes in the bottom for the door handle. Hook it into the holder and secure the connector. Just push all the way down. We'll do the same for the white top one. Secure the cable on the holder. And push it in. Now let's install the door panel. We are going to push it into place and secure our clips all around the perimeter. Once everything's lined, push down on all corners. And that looks good. We're going to snug down our three Phillips head screws, starting with the ones on the bottom and the corner. Insert them and snug them down. And our last screw adjacent to the door handle. We're also going to reinstall our plastic trim pieces, so put them into place and push down. We'll do the same for our door handle trim piece. Open the handle and slide it into place. We're going to feed our harness through the door panel and reinstall our switches. Starting with the black one on the bottom, slide it in and make sure it's secure. And same for the white one on top. Now position your master switch in the door panel and push down. That completes our install. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.